Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? Yesterday I met an accident when I was coming back home from my job. A truck with excessive speed bumped with a car on the highway. The car was crashed fatally and the owner along with his wife was dead on the spot. There were also two children in the car who were injured critically. They were taken to hospital, but one of the children died on the way. The other child was put in ICU. After 1 hour of reaching the hospital, he also felt his bet of life, and the entire family was no more. The police are looking for the truck driver who fled at the spot. The police are suspecting him whether he was intoxicated because they found 3 bottles of alcohol in the truck. Police seized the truck as well as the car of investigation. The truck driver drinking alcohol in the truck. They are also searching for the truck owner as well. May the deceased rest in peace.